All right, so I'm going to show you some boxes. This one's a mirror finished. This is the bottom. This one holds the money in the top. This one holds 50 notes, which would be 5,000 in hundreds. I believe, what is this one? This one's slightly larger. Is it locked? Dang it, it is. All right, I'll go open up another one. This one's about twice the thickness of this one. I believe that one holds 10,000. I know you're looking for something small, but here's some perspective. Here's a 70K, 30K, 50K. This is a 50K here also. This is the American Express design. So one of the things I'll need, oh, we also do these. These are really cool. We do round ones also, which kind of act as like a little decoration. We make a little stand that holds it up like this. It's pretty sweet. I have some smaller ones back here. And I don't know if you've seen these. These hold coins. These hold silver coins, silver. These all are designed for silver, but I can reconfigure these holes to fit gold or whatever you want. But I do have some other ones over here. So this one is locked. This is a $15,000 brick, which actually isn't that big. This is a machine finish, so literally we take it off the machine, rinse off the soap, and it's done. Let's see if one of them's open. I guess they're all locked up. Yeah, these are some, but these belong to a customer already. This is a $10,000 brick. So this one holds 5 in top, 5 in bottom. And somewhere I have some more. Nope. Nope. My guys have been rearranging, and I don't know where my stuff is. So I know I have some smaller ones somewhere. Chuck, where's all the small bricks, the little $5,000 ones? We had a bunch of those. I thought we had more. Maybe we sold them all. I don't know. Well, maybe we did. Here's another small one. This one holds 25,000. This has 2 halves to it. So this would be the bottom. This would be the top. I could put any design you want. Bentley, your logo, you name it. Let's go back over here. I may have some more small ones over here. I feel kind of, oh, here's one. Let's see what this is. Maybe this one is unlocked. Oh, I know where they're all at. I took them home to polish them. Here we go. So this is just like the other one that you saw earlier, 50 bills. This has no design. It's just got a mirror finish on it. Our logo on bottom. And this one holds up to 5,000 in $100 bills. So that's a little sampling of what we do. This one's really cool. This is an ashtray. I'll just show you this and some here. This one holds 740 gold coins, which is a lot. I'm not a smoker, but that's pretty cool. There you go. So check those out. I hope that helps you make a decision. Let me know what you like. We also make them that hold cash, silver, and gold. So you think up anything, we'll make it for you.